Okay, we're up here on the roof. This is the condensing unit. I suppose it's the condensing unit. There's 4 on this side, 4 on the other side. I turned the unit on at 60 degrees outside. Doesn't feel like it, doesn't look like it. Okay, so I've got the unit on, and it's the only one running. So process of elimination, this is your unit. And if our assumptions are correct, if that's the case, would these possibly be closed-door events? I still don't know. But let's talk about what we got here. This is the air conditioning unit. You can tell by looking at the serial number that it's 1 year old. Pretty recent installation. 18, it's 1.5 tons. They use R410A. That's the good refrigerant. We'd expect it on, a recent vintage like this. It requires between a 15 and 20 amp fuse. We see that also. It's probably over 14 SEER. So let's see what we got here. The low pressure refrigerant line does not have insulation on it. What's electrical tape doing on the low pressure refrigerant line? Is that some kind of a freaking patch? I don't know. We do not have an electric service disconnect. This is electric service going to the condensing unit. I have electric service disconnect. And then the Schrader valves, look that up. Okay, but the refrigerant service port valve caps should be anti-theft. The 410A, they should have been anti-theft. So it was installed with the wrong kind of refrigerant. Oh, it wasn't. It was installed with the wrong kind of refrigerant service access caps. The refrigerant supply line is not insulated, and we do not have an electric service disconnect. And we still haven't figured out about the closed-door event. Obviously, there's been some repairs on this roof. This is not over the subject unit. The subject unit basically starts on this half, just like I had the brains. Basically it starts on this half. Let me just kind of step over here. Take the quick way down. Yeah, that's your porch, patio. All these patches belong to you. That rain gutter, hippie, hillbilly home inspection. Rain gutter full of leaves belongs to you. Belongs to this unit. And this condensing unit, again, using the process of elimination, it's assumed. This is your unit. Now I'm putting my hand over here. I feel a little bit of heat. On a day like today, you're not going to feel much. On a day like today, you're not going to feel much. The data that I collect to see, to give me an indication, a symptom that this thing is operating properly, that data will not be sufficient. It will not be